Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to change numbering in Canva for 2025. Numbered lists and bullet points are simple but powerful tools to keep your designs organized and easy to read. Let's dive right in. Start by logging into your Canva account. From the homepage, click on Docs to open Canva's document editor where you can create or edit text-based content. Once you're inside the document editor, look at the top of the screen for the plus icon. This menu gives you quick access to text formatting tools, including numbered lists. Click on Numbered List. Canva will instantly add numbers at the beginning of each new line as you type, updating automatically if you add or remove items. If you'd like a different style, Canva lets you switch numbering formats. Play around with the options until you find the one that matches your project's tone. You're not limited to numbering. Click the plus icon again to explore bullet points or checklists. Bullets are great for unordered information, while checklists are perfect for task tracking. When using lists, always consider your audience. Numbered lists are best for step-by-step instructions. Bullets are better for highlights, and checklists make projects actionable. And that's it. Now you know how to change numbering in Canva and use lists more effectively in your designs. A simple feature, but one that keeps your work clear and professional. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials.